Hey, what's good, we bikers? Teamwork here. Yeah, we have a lot going on. We went to that Alpha Roundup in Cincy. I got this clips on packing, what I pack, how to pack. Definitely want you to check this out. This is for how you pack for a few days. I got this new bag that I think that you need to check out. If you're down for packing for a few days and you need to be able to pivot and have different styles of clothes. Also, inspection. I got my bike inspected, and they had to make some changes, y'all. They had to make some changes. Hey, this is the bros. We're up at the Alpha Roundup, and we're going to historical sites out here in Cincinnati, Ohio, so you got to check that out. Of course, we got to go there during that crazy heat wave, right? It's not a road trip unless you got a heat wave, so we did that. It was all right. We did all right with that. So yeah, we hit up from Pflugerville, Texas. We bounced to Grandview, Missouri, and then we bounced over to Cincinnati, Ohio. So check out this up and coming videos I got for y'all. It's gonna be on point. Peace.